Hello, today I'm going to show you 10 keyboard shortcuts on Windows 11. The first one is if you press the Windows key plus the S, you'll have the quick start for your search. The second one is to open the widget board, you can press the Windows key plus W and you'll see the widgets pop up. And the third one, you can take a screenshot by pressing the Windows key and Shift and S together. And this will pop up and you can click anyone you want. And then you can just drag and take a screenshot and it'll pop up on the bottom right. The fourth one is you can access your clipboard history by pressing the Windows key plus V. So see what we just did here. And the fifth is to talk instead of typing. So instead of just typing, you can just talk if you have a microphone. And to do that, you first have to find something that has a text box. Let's say here, and you can press the Windows key plus H, and then you can say anything, and see it pops up right here when you clicked on the text box. The sixth one is you can have emojis for when you're typing and stuff, and you can press the Windows key and the period together, and right here you see pops up the emojis, gifs, and all the other stuff that Windows gives you. The seventh is to clear Windows color. So if you have, let's say, Edge open and then you have the File Explorer open, you can press the Windows key and D together and it gets rid of them, and you can press it again and they can pop back up. The eighth is to lock your screen. You can just press the Windows key and L together, and I'm not going to do that now while I'm recording. The ninth is to quickly switch tasks. You can press the Windows key and tab, so you can have your two desktops if you want by pressing the plus right here. And then to get back to the one you're on, you can click here or whatnot on the top, which one you want when it highlights it. And for the 10th step is to quickly change settings. You can press the Windows key and A together, and you'll see your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, night, and all that fun stuff. And that's all there is to it.